Apple's first foldable iPhone is finally on the horizon, and if the latest leaks are accurate, it could launch this fall under the name iPhone Ultra. Positioned as Apple's most ambitious and expensive iPhone ever, this next-generation device is rumored to combine the power of an iPhone with the versatility of an iPad mini, all in a single foldable design. Here's a deep dive into the biggest rumored features of the iPhone Ultra, including design, display technology, cameras, performance, software, and price. The biggest highlight of the iPhone Ultra is its revolutionary foldable design. Unlike most foldable smartphones currently on the market, Apple is reportedly taking a different approach. Instead of a tall and narrow foldable, the iPhone Ultra may be wider than it is tall when unfolded, featuring a book-style folding mechanism similar to a compact tablet. When closed, users will see a shorter and wider outer display. When opened, the inner display is expected to resemble an iPad mini in both size and proportions, making it ideal for productivity, reading, gaming, and multitasking. One of the most exciting rumors suggests that Apple has developed a crease-free inner display. If true, this would solve one of the biggest complaints about foldable phones today: the visible crease in the middle of the screen. A seamless folding display would give Apple a major edge in the premium foldable smartphone market. Design-wise, the iPhone Ultra is rumored to borrow elements from the iPhone Air lineup. Expect a titanium frame for added durability and a lightweight feel. When unfolded, the device could be ultra-thin. When folded, it may look like two iPhone Air models stacked together, but even thinner. Early reports suggest Apple will keep things simple with just two color options: black and white. In terms of display sizes, the iPhone Ultra is expected to feature two distinct screens. The outer display is rumored to measure between 5.3 and 5.5 inches, making it compact yet wider in aspect ratio compared to previous iPhones. This screen will likely be perfect for quick tasks, messaging, calls, and one-handed use. The inner display is rumored to measure between 7.6 and 7.8 inches. That puts it very close to the iPad mini in terms of screen real estate. This larger display could transform how users experience apps, video streaming, gaming, and document editing on an iPhone. Camera specifications suggest Apple may take a slightly different approach with the Ultra model. On the back, the device is rumored to feature a dual camera system with a 48 megapixel main sensor and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens. However, unlike the Pro models, the iPhone Ultra may not include a dedicated telephoto lens. That means users could miss out on advanced optical zoom capabilities. Because the device has two displays, it's expected to include two front-facing cameras, one for each screen. Apple may use the same 18 megapixel center stage front camera introduced in previous models. A hole punch design is rumored for both displays, keeping bezels minimal and modern. On the software side, iOS 27 is expected to bring exclusive multitasking, features designed specifically for the foldable form factor. Reports suggest that Apple will introduce side-by-side app support, allowing users to run two apps simultaneously on the inner display. Additionally, certain apps may adopt iPad-style layouts when the device is unfolded. While the iPhone Ultra is not expected to run iPadOS, it may borrow several interface elements from the iPad to enhance productivity. These optimizations could make the foldable experience feel more refined and purpose-built rather than stretched from a standard iPhone interface. Under the hood, the iPhone Ultra is rumored to be powered by Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip. Built on a new 2-nanometer process, this chip could deliver significant improvements in performance and power efficiency. Apple may also introduce WMCM, wafer-level multi-chip module technology, to further enhance thermal management and battery efficiency. The device is expected to feature 12 GB of RAM, along with faster LPDDR5 memory for improved multitasking and overall responsiveness. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone Ultra may debut Apple's in-house C2 cellular modem, replacing Qualcomm's 5G modem. This could result in better power efficiency, improved signal reliability, and tighter integration with Apple Silicon. Interestingly, despite the Ultra branding, the device may not include Face ID. Due to internal space limitations and the complexity of adding Face ID modules to both displays, Apple is rumored to bring back Touch ID integrated into the power button. This would work similarly to the implementation seen on the iPad Air and iPad mini. Pricing remains one of the biggest questions. Most analysts predict a starting price of around $1,990 for the 256GB base model. If accurate, this would make it the most expensive iPhone ever released. However, Apple may justify the price by positioning the iPhone Ultra as both a smartphone and a compact tablet in one device. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the iPhone Ultra could mark the beginning of a bold new era for Apple's smartphone lineup, with a foldable crease-free display, titanium design, powerful A20 Pro chip, advanced multitasking in iOS 27, and a premium price tag. This device could redefine what an iPhone is capable of. The question now is simple. Will the iPhone Ultra become the future of smartphones or remain a niche premium device for early adopters? This fall, we may finally find out.